Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is doing well today. So for today's video, guys, what we're actually going to be doing is taking a look at the Sephora Favorites Bite the Bullet Lip Kit. I actually picked this up with a recent purchase that I did from Sephora. I was flipping through their website and came across it and thought that it looked pretty cool. And being that I love lipsticks, I figured for $25 I get to try a variety of different lipsticks. And in the kit it says 2 of them are full size and there are 3 like minis or travel size lippies. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a little bag like that. And inside of here, it says on the back, it tells you what products are inside. Now it looks like we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, a Bite Beauty lipstick, a Laura Mercier lipstick, a lipstick from Tarte, and one from Urban Decay. So all of those brands are really good brands, and I know some of them are minis, but I figured for $25 it would still be worth it, and I really wanted to give it a whirl. So let's go ahead and pop it open and take a look at the lipsticks and try them on and see what we think. And I think I showed this to you, but if I didn't, before I pop it open, there it is, and it has the price right there on the front. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. All right. Okay, now that I've finally got that open, there it is. It's really weird. The inside the bag smells like mint to me a little bit. Wonder why. I don't think any of the lipsticks would be mint. But anyway, okay, so let me go ahead and pull the lipsticks out. Here we have the Tarte one. I'm just going to show you the packaging real quick. This looks like it would be, I believe this is the Bite Beauty, yes. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. The Urban Decay, which I believe is a full size. And the, which one is this? Oh, right there in the front, the Laura Mercier. Okay. All right, so the 2 that I believe are full size are the Tarte and the Urban Decay here. So let's start, actually let's just go ahead and start. Let's start with the Tarte one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, that's a deep dark color. It's got a little point there. I guess it was hit the top in there for some reason. But other than that, see, it kind of, that's what that looks like, the color. The top of the lipstick actually hit inside of the cap there, so it made it look a little weird, but I love that color. It's very pretty. I'm going to swatch it on my hands, and then I'll put it on my lips. It says this is the color Berry, but this definitely looks more like a gloss than a lipstick. It says Rainforest of the Sea Quench Lip Rescue in Berry. So, all right, let's go ahead and try it on. It says Lip Rescue. I'm really thinking this is really a gloss and not a lipstick. But let's put it on. And I think this is what the mint smell is coming from. If you can see that, it actually has a little bit of a tint. This is definitely not a lipstick formula to me. It's definitely more like a gloss with a hint of color. Now, it feels amazing going on. It's really nice. It's not sticky at all. It has a really nice shine, which I like, and a small hint of color. If I were going kind of bare, you know, actually I could wear it with this look, but if I were just not really putting on makeup and wanted something on my lips, I think this would be perfect. I also think that you can get away with putting this on top of other lipsticks. Like I said, it's not like a lipstick in itself to me. It's just more of a dab of color with a lot of gloss, which I like. So okay, that was the first item in there, so let's go ahead and wipe this off and move on to the next one. The next one is from Urban Decay, and it says this is the Weisse lipstick in Back Talk, a comfort matte. So I guess this is a matte lipstick. Let's go ahead and take the top off and take a look and see how it looks. Okay, that's pretty. It's more of like a pinky mauve tone there. Can you see that? I'm trying to get it so you can see it. That's what that looks like. That's what it looks like from that direction. Let's go ahead and do a quick swatch on the hand. Okay, it's definitely a pinky color. Can you see that? I'm trying to get it, make sure you see it. Okay, let's go ahead and pop it on real quick, see what that's like. So this is the Urban Decay lipstick I have on now, and again, this is in the color Back Talk. It says it right on the bottom there. I don't know why I'm looking at the paper, but that's what that looks like on. And it feels really comfortable on the lips. I'm actually kind of liking the color too. Might not be an everyday color, but I really do like that. Okay, and I believe this is one of the full-size items. I'm not sure how much it costs. I'll give you the price of each one individually at the end. And this says it's a comfort matte. It feels really, really good on the lips. Really good. I really like that. Okay. All right. So far, I'm liking this. Like I said, the first one threw me off a little bit because I wasn't expecting a gloss when it says, well, it says lip kit. I thought it said lipstick. So it does say lip kit. So it didn't say whether they're all glosses or lipsticks. But anyway. But I still liked it anyway because I thought, like I said, the gloss was really nice and it'll go well over other lipsticks or on its own. Let's go ahead and take this off and move on to the next color. Okay, so the next lipstick we have is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the color, I can't see that, let me look on the paper, in the color Dead Roses. Oh, okay, and that's what that looks like. Let's pop it open. It's pretty packaging. And this also looks more like a mauve color, maybe not quite as pink as the last one, but more of a mauve. Very pretty though. I love this packaging. Let's go ahead and try that on. My poor lips over here are getting super dry because putting this lipstick on and off, and I actually filmed a lip video before this, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is a really pretty color, and again, it's called Dead Roses. It actually looks more like a hint of purple to me, like a purple, maybe pinkish color. But I actually really like this as well. And again, this is really comfortable. I don't believe this is a, what is it? It doesn't say whether this, oh it is, it's a matte lipstick, mini matte lipstick in the color Dead Roses. It doesn't feel matte to me. It doesn't feel drying at all on my lips. And I love that. I love when I find a matte lipstick that feels really comfortable that I can wear all day without my lips feeling super dry. Most of the time when I put on mattes, I'll put on a little bit of like lip balm or even Vaseline or something, a really thin layer of it right on top of my lips before I put on matte lipstick. But this feels really good, and I actually really like this color as well. So far so good. So far I'm liking this little kit. All right, let's move on to the next item. Don't want to hold you guys up all day. I just took that off, but I'm definitely feeling like my lips are getting a little stained and they're definitely becoming a little bit sore, but we only have 2 more colors to go with, so let's do it. The next color here I have is called Chai, and it's from Bite Beauty. And that's what that looks like. Let's see if this is a matte. It doesn't say. It just says Amuse Boucher lipstick in Chai. Oh, this is really tiny. This is definitely one of the sample sizes. But it's really, really pretty, and this color is very, very nice. It looks like a reddish burgundy color to me. So let's go ahead and try that out and see what it looks like on. Okay, so this is what this one looks like on. This is the Bite Beauty in Chai, and I think this again is very pretty. I love all the colors of the lippies that they have put inside of this kit so far. And this one I don't believe is matte at all. No, it's not. It's kind of creamy, and I like that as well. But very, very, very pretty. All right, so we're down to the last lippy. Let's go ahead and take this off, try out the last one, and then we'll wrap this up. This last lipstick we have here is from Laura Mercier, and it is Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick in Rouge. Okay, it has a little peel off on the back. Let me peel that so I can get it open. Okay, this is a gorgeous red shade. Very, very beautiful. The name of it is Rouge again. And let's go ahead and try this on my dry lips. This is a cream formula, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Okay guys, so this is the Laura Mercier Rouge lipstick, and I absolutely love this color. I have loved every color in this bag, but this color right here is absolutely stunning to me. I love a good red lipstick. And I think this one is absolutely gorgeous. I could really see myself buying this in the full size. I love it that much. Really, 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 really love this. And it feels great on. Really nice and creamy. I really like it. All right, guys. Well, that was the Bite the Bullet lip kit from the Sephora Favorites again. And it, like I said, it came with the 5 lippies, and it came with a full-size Urban Decay, a full-size Tarte, and then we got the little sample size of Bite Beauty. We got the sample of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we got the sample of Laura Mercier. And the cost of this sampler kit is $25, and I think it's well worth it because, like I said, 2 of the items in here are full size, and the other 3, although they are sample size, it's a good amount of product in there, so you can get quite a few wears out of the product that you have. So if you're looking for something, you know, if you're looking to treat yourself or for something to have a little fun with or try on some new shades of lipstick, I definitely think this would be a good to have. I really, really, really like everything that was in this little kit. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have. If you're planning on getting the Bite the Bullet lip kit from Sephora, let me know down in the comments below. If you've already had it and tried it out, let me know your thoughts on that as well. But for those of you who are interested in trying it out, I will go ahead and leave a link to the kit down in the description box below so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, guys, that's everything that I have for today. As always, I truly do appreciate you spending a part of your day with me today. Before you leave, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell, I would definitely appreciate that. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.